Hi everyone! Welcome again sa aking channel. For this video, ang ituturo ko sa inyo ay yung continuation pa rin ng Unit 5 which is all about the logarithmic functions. This time, the lesson is about solving of basic logarithmic equations. Dito natin i-apply yung conversion of logarithmic equation into exponential and exponential to logarithmic and also the basic properties of logarithms. A logarithmic equation is an equation involving logarithms. Recall that logarithm is in the form of, that is the basic form of logarithmic equations. Here are some examples of basic logarithmic equations in this form. Number 1, we have the logarithm of base 2 of x is equal to 4. Number 2, the logarithm of base 3 of 1 over 9 is equal to x. Number 3, the logarithm of base x of 16 is equal to 2. And number 4, the logarithm of 1000 is equal to x. Sa ating number 1, ang unknown ay yung number. Sa number 2, ang unknown naman natin ay yung exponent. Sa number 3, ang unknown natin ay yung base. At sa number 4, ang unknown natin ay yung exponent again. In order for us to solve this form of equations, we will use the conversion of form. Let's start with number 1. Find the value of the unknown in the logarithm of base 2 of x is equal to 4. Ang unknown natin is the number. What we're going to do is i-convert natin into exponential. That is 2 raised to 4 is equal to x. Again, 2 raised to 4 is equal to x. Then, solve for the value of x. 2 raised to 4 is 16. Therefore, the value of x is 16. Let's proceed to example number 2. What is the value of the unknown in logarithm of base 3 of 1 over 9 is equal to x? Ang ating unknown is the exponent. Pero ganun pa rin ang process natin. I-convert natin into exponential. Ito ay magiging 3 raised to x is equal to 1 over 9. Again, 3 raised to x is equal to 1 over 9. Then proceed on solving exponential equations. Kailangan natin gawing same base ito. Yung 1 over 9 ay i-convert natin into 3 raised to negative 2 para same base sila na 3. So ito ngayon ay magiging 3 raised to x is equal to 3 raised to negative 2. Cancel the bases, then equate the exponents. Therefore, x is equal to negative 2. Let's proceed on example number 3. Find the value of the unknown in logarithm of base x of 16 is equal to 2. Again, ang unknown natin dito is the base. Pero ganun pa rin yung process natin. I-convert natin into exponential. X raised to 2 is equal to 16. Again, x raised to 2 is equal to 16. Then solve for the value of x. Dahil ito ay squared, take the square root of both sides. The square root of x squared is x. The square root of 16 ay dalawa, positive 4 and negative 4. Therefore, meron tayong dalawang possible answers. Yung una is x is equal to positive 4 at yung isa pa ay x is equal to negative 4. Pero, bago natin i-box ang ating final answer, we should remember the restriction with respect to base. Note that base cannot be negative. Therefore, the only solution is positive 4. X is equal to positive 4. Let's proceed to our last example. Example number 4. Find the value of unknown in the logarithm of 1000 is equal to x. Ang unknown natin dito ay exponent. Pero ganun pa rin yung process natin, i-convert natin into exponential. Pero wala tayong nakitang base ng logarithm. As a recall, kapag wala tayong nakitang base sa logarithm, ito ay base 10. Therefore, pag kinonvert natin to into exponential, ito ay 10 raised to x is equal to 1,000. Again, 10 raised to x is equal to 1,000. Then proceed tayo sa pag-solve ng exponential equations. Gawan natin to ng same base. Pareha silang base 10. Ang 1,000 ay equivalent ng 10 raised to 3. Therefore, ito ay magiging 10 raised to x is equal to 10 raised to 3. Then cancel the bases, equate the exponent. Therefore, our answer is x is equal to 3. This is how we use the conversion of form to solve the basic logarithmic equations.